Welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 30 says we should choose the word or option that rhymes with the given word. And the given word here is pronounced as insight. Insight. By transcription, we have it in this way: insight. Insight. And it is a verb. Remember the condition for a verb word, and of course of two syllabic words. Two syllabic word. Two syllabic word. Two syllabic. Then option A is pronounced as inside. It's not the same. Inside. And it is also two syllabic word. Two syllabic word. This also two syllabic word. But inside is a noun. And it can also function as a verb. So when inside function as a verb, it means that the stress will be on the second syllable. Then option B is pronounced as adequate, and it is a noun word. It is a noun word. It is a noun word of two syllables. Of two syllables. Then option C is pronounced as the correct word. The correct word here is what we call excite. Is excite that is here. Excite. So excite can be transcribed as excite. So we have it as excite. Then option, and it is two syllables too. It is two syllables. Then option D is pronounced as semis. Semis. And it is also a noun word. Then two syllables. Two syllables. So if you look very well, you find out that the only option that rhyme by transcription and explanation with the given word is option C, which is a site. You find out that we have a site, then we have a site, so they both rhyme together. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.